Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khaira Mutalgina, and I like my name because my grandmother gave me this name, and the meaning is very good. Why I like this name? Because the meaning name Khaira Mutalgina like kind girl, kind girl with beautiful and have apa ya? Have has a yeah. This meaning of my name. Okay. I mean like a girl with girl with kind heart, face beautiful, and has uh, my grandmother and my mother she said like this. Oh wait, why my voice like this? Because today I sick. Yeah, I'm not healthy for today. Sorry, my voice is bad. Yeah, insya Allah tomorrow not like this. Yeah. Oh my God, I hope tomorrow can recover. Amin. I don't like my voice today. Yeah, annoying her. Like deep voice. Yeah, I don't like lah. I hope tomorrow I don't sick. Amin. Uh, I mau pray me. I don't know. Ketawa ngomong apa?